You okay? Dude, just sneeze.
I can't, man.
Just sneeze. Dude, just sneeze.
What the fuck? Try Zyrtex, that way your head doesn't explode into a million pieces. Muddle no more.